In this video, I'm gonna show how to edit text in Premiere Pro. Here's using this video as a background, and I'll make a text about this video. First, click on text tool and type here the text. By left click of mouse, we can select the entire text. Also, you can select entire text by pressing Ctrl A. We can move the text by dragging. We can reduce and increase its duration by pulling in this way. By selecting Move tool, we can move the text easily. Our timeline is done. Let's edit the text now. Select text, open Effect Controls. From this text panel, we can edit our text. From here, we can change the font. We can make font regular, bolder, and italic from this menu. Also, we can change the size of the text from here. Make alignment from here. Click this field to change text color. Also, you can change the color of stroke. Make sure both are checked. By increasing and decreasing this size, stroke will be thinner and thicker. Check this shadow to make shadow and change shadow color from here. I'm unchecking the shadow for now. Change text position from here and scale it from making text smaller and bigger. From here, we can reduce and increase the opacity of the text, and we can rotate the text from here. That's it for now. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe this channel. Thanks.